Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to set up Trello for CRM, the full 2025 guide. First up, create your Trello account. This is where all the customer relationship magic happens. You need an account to start building your CRM system. Next up, create a new board. Think of this as your control center for all things customer related. You can name it something like Customer Relations. Now add lists to your board. These will serve as your CRM stages. For example, you could have lists labeled leads, follow-ups, customers, and so on. The reason we do this is to help you visualize and organize your sales pipeline. Once you've done that, start adding cards to each list. Each card represents a customer or lead. This is where you'll keep track of contact info, conversations, and any important notes. This helps us because it centralizes all your customer data in one place. Now, let's customize your cards. Trello allows you to add due dates, attach files, create checklists, and even assign cards to team members. This is truly where the power of Trello as a CRM comes into play. If you want to take it up a notch, you can integrate Trello with other tools. For instance, you could connect it to your email client to automatically add new leads to your Trello board. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is integrating with your other tools to streamline your workflow and save you time. And just like that, you've set up your Trello for CRM. Remember, the key here is to maintain and update your board regularly. It's not a set it and forget it tool, but rather a living, breathing part of your sales process. That's it for today's quick guide on setting up Trello for CRM. As always, thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.